This
Who else
conference will
joined?
now
And then
be recorded.
Pritika Sri also joined. Then myself and Ramlingam also joined. One more team will join soon. Okay, you can start now. Currently, I don't have laptop.
Okay.
So, are you going to take a video shoot?
Yeah, it's recording right currently.
Yeah, recording with video. Probably see. Actually, I was trying to sit at home, but unfortunately, some urgent work. So I come out. So while reaching, it will take longer time. So I connected with mobile now. Right now.
Okay.
Ah.
So as you say about logo and the other things, I have aligned them. Logo is currently in the left side and other things are in right side.
Okay.
About us content, we already placed and you already seen that.
Yeah. B2B. I was from my side is pending. You know.
Yeah, I placed the content. If you want any changes, then we can
Can you
place
please
that content
open
again. No
B2B
problem.
screen?
Yes,
Can you please
opening.
open B2B screen?
Yes, opening. One second. Maintenance.
Cloths, uniform for corporates, then end-to-end interior decorations. See, this is for end-to-end home decorations. Interior you remove. End-to-end home decorations.
Yes, whatever changes you have, Umapati sir, send me that Word document along on email so we can have it. So you just we can discuss over here. Later on we can change that, no problem.
Yeah. Okay. Little bit scroll down. Yeah. And picture whatever home decorations, whatever you put, and furniture also you have mapped for the same pictures.
No, the two pictures I have used. Another pictures are which you have provided. I have used the same images.
Okay.
Like here for energy saving LED lights, solar panels, I have used these images. Home appliances, I have searched again for myself and I have
Yes.
placed these
I saw
images.
that also.
And
Okay.
as we discussed, one
Inquiry.
form will be
Inquire
in the
now.
bottom. Inquire
Ah,
now. So customer will enter his name, email, mobile number, then he will select the service from over here and he can type any
okay.
message, then he can. So we'll get that message on particular email ID which we going to provide us.
Okay.
So this is for B2B.
Yeah. Okay.
And other pages, this is FAQ, product returns, company policy, terms of use. So here are the
Okay.
FAQs.
Yeah, did you mention for the email IDs? Info at classwardrobe.com. The bottom.
We can make it, no problem. We have we already buy some emails, so we can create emails, no problem. Whatever emails you need, just let us know so we can create that and we can use.
Okay. Same thing for B2B. You can use for one email ID B2B at classwardrobe.com.
Okay.
In the inquiry form or
So
inquire now, or you can send a mail to us. You can mention the mail number B2B at classwardrobe.com.
okay.
Okay.
So this is the FAQ. So here some questions which we wrote about the FAQs. Orders and shipping tracking. 6 questions were there. This is the content. I have
Okay.
used one image for the FAQ. This one. So
Okay.
this for the payment, return and exchange policy.
Okay.
And next page is product returns. So I placed the content over here.
But the
And
pages
another page.
are it's not a sequence of line or some places Go to return policy.
No, they yeah, going no problem. These are bullets.
Okay, bottom.
This is
After
normal
8th,
content.
no, after 8th, serial number 8th, there
This
was
is
a
normal content.
fragment
Yeah, this
alignment
is
is
normal
not
content.
there. Huh?
No, this is normal content. These are bullets. Bullets are completing over here. Then again, one normal content is opening over here. The
Oh,
bill
normal
must
content, you need to
distinctly.
adjust it little bit right side. It should be parallel from the top line.
Yeah, here you can see it is parallel to here only. Here, that this policy is not.
Uh,
It is aligned with this content.
I do agree, even though it should be after heading, when it comes for 1, 2, 3, below 1, 2, 3, it should be aligned with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and below also it should be aligned the same uniform. Let it be top paragraph, let it be as it is, but in the bottom, you can, this bullet point, can you please adjust it in the sequence line?
These bullet points I can adjust, no problem. It will come
Uh,
along with the 8, 9, 10 like this. It will come over
yes,
here.
yes, yes,
These are
yes,
the,
yes, yes.
no
And bottom
problem. We can
also
do
need
this.
some corrections, alignment.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you make a correction. And second thing, go to company policy. Okay, this is Class Wardrobe company, .com company, not by the Internet Private Limited or something. You please, wherever the necessary area, you please make a changes. Clothswardrobe.com company only, that need to be
Okay.
removed. Okay, and
Yeah,
we have
we will note
registered.
down this
Register
point, no
number is enough.
problem.
Yeah.
No, I'm
Register
telling
number
that
is,
we will note down this point, but you just
yeah.
send me a one hard copy. These changes we required, so we can have a
Yeah. But
record that
see,
we
right
did
now I
these
don't have a
changes.
pen. I don't have a pen for notifying the points, whatever discussion. Maybe I will forgot something. So you can note down
Okay.
in a piece of paper, and if anything missed out, then we will come back you.
Okay.
Okay.
Zainab.
Okay. This free shipping on orders over for 1,250, not by 650 or
Uh,
something.
Come again, Umabati sir.
This bottom free shipping on orders, it should be
Yeah.
above 1,250.
Okay, no problem. We can change. It's a dummy line.
Okay, you please, yeah, you can note down piece of paper. So these are all the points. Okay, company policy, you have made a corrections and everything is over. And go to other, if there anything in the bottom.
Yes, it's coming. वैभव की स्टाइल की जो विदाउट एडिटिंग है एक्सेल सर के उसका पे ड्रॉप करो. हाँ नहीं एडिट कर. 1050 or 1000?
1,250.
1250 and 1250 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay. This is also we have to remove. And
Yes.
here
This
we
also
have to
need to be.
place clothwardrobe.com company.
Yes. Classwardrobe.com company. And register number, you can mention registered number 420/2020. GST number, I will confirming you in the bottom. Company info is there, na? Below. Maybe
Okay.
you can give for 2 line space, and bottom you can mention for registered number.
Okay, no problem. Just provide me
Then
these
you
details once
can
you
fill
reach
it in
to
the
your home, or
TLC. Yeah, yeah,
once you near to your laptop. Provide me these details in Word document. No doubts,
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
copying the writing these points. But if we get a
You can note down
document from
any
your
piece of
side,
paper
that will
so
be.
that, see, because I don't
No,
have
no, no.
right now.
I'm
I
writing
come outside.
here.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm writing here, and we are recording the points totally. The video is
Ah,
recording. No problem. We will
okay,
upload this
okay,
video on YouTube, and we will give you URL as well as.
okay. No issues. Then you can move for some other.
Yeah. These are terms of use. As you said, alignment should be there, uniformity in content. I will do that, no problem.
Hello,
Yeah,
hello.
Mumtaz.
Yeah, yeah. You can continue.
Yes, yes.
Scroll down, down. Scroll down. This also need to some correction. Huh? It should be on uniform from
Okay,
top to bottom, same line. Okay.
okay, okay.
Then you can move for some other things. Is there anything to discuss?
As for now, we have completed the content placement. Now I am working on the image resizing. And as I said,
Okay.
that Excel sheet having commas in names of the images. So we have to rectify that as well as. So you said you are going to rectify that from your team.
Which one? Which one?
Uh, I will show you the Excel, no problem. 1 second. Can you see my screen, Umavati sir? Hello? Hello?
ஒன் செகண்ட் வாட்ஸ்அப் ஓப்பன் பண்ணுங்க. அதுல வந்து இந்த உங்களோட வாட்ஸ்அப்போட பார்கோட ஸ்கேன் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு வந்து வாட்ஸ்அப் ஸ்கிரீன்ல வரும். அதுல வந்து அந்த வாட்ஸ்அப்ல நான் வந்து லிங்க் அமைச்சிருக்கேன் பாருங்க, கோ டு மீட்டிங் சொல்லி. அந்த லிங்க் போய் கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அப்படியே மீட்டிங்ல கனெக்ட் ஆயிடுவீங்க, ஜாயின் ஆயிடுவீங்க. அவ்வளவுதான். அந்த லிங்க் வந்து இதுல வரணும். நீங்க அந்த லிங்கை கூட நீங்க எடுத்து அதுல இருக்கிற மாதிரியே லிங்கை டைப் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கனெக்ட் பண்ணலாம். இல்ல அதுக்கு ஈஸியஸ்ட் வே என்னன்னா, நீங்க வாட்ஸ்அப் வந்து வெப்வியூல வந்து ஸ்கேன் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா அது உங்களுக்கு ஸ்கிரீன்ல வந்து வாட்ஸ்அப் வந்துடும். அப்படியே அந்த உங்க லாஸ்டா அந்த மெசேஜை போய் கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அது மீட்டிங்ல வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணிடுவீங்க. ஓகேங்களா? ஆமா ஆமா. வாட்ஸ்அப்ல நீங்க சிஸ்டம் முதல்ல வந்து கனெக்டட், உங்க போன் கனெக்டட்னு வந்த உடனே இந்த மெசேஜ் வந்திருக்கும் பாருங்க. நான் குரூப் வாட்ஸ்அப்ல அந்த அந்த மெசேஜ் போயிட்டு கோ டு மீட்டிங்னு இருக்கு பாருங்க, அதை போயிட்டு கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க, அதை கனெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. அதை கனெக்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா நீங்க ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா ஸ்கிரீன்ல வர ஆரம்பிச்சிருங்க. ஸ்கிரீன்ல வந்துட்டீங்கன்னா எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க, அப்படியே இருங்க. கார்த்திக் சொல்லுங்க. சாரி பாஸ், 1 minute. One more team of us also is going to join, so this is
Yeah, okay, no
important
problem.
for everyone.
Yes, definitely, Mahbub, because it's taking again, we are reworking again on same Excel sheets.
Yes,
So
yes,
better
yes, yes.
everyone should
Going to,
connect and they can
yes,
see
yes.
what we want
I'm coming,
actually.
coming. 1 minute. ஏ ராமலிங்க என்ன டிஸ்கனெக்ட் ஆயிட்டா நம்மளுது? ராமலிங்க டிஸ்கனெக்ட் ஆயிட்டா நம்மளுது கேளு. அது டேய் டேய் இது சும்மா பார்க்க சொல்றேன். அப்புறம் நான் சொல்றேன் இது ஒண்ணும் வேணாம். ஒரு 1/2 மணி நேரம் ஸ்கிரீன் போகும். ஜஸ்ட் பார்க்க சொல்லு. ஜஸ்ட் வாட்ச். அதான் வேற ஒண்ணு. இது போயிட்டு தான் இருக்கு. அவங்க கனெக்ட் பண்ணி பார்க்க சொல்லு. ஜஸ்ட் வாட்ச் மட்டும் பண்ண சொல்லு. அப்புறம் நான் சொல்றேன் அதை. ரெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த திங்ஸ் வந்து நான் வந்து ட்ரைனிங் கொடுக்குறேன். உங்க வீட்டை பண்ணிட்டாங்களா? ஹலோ
Yes, Mohammed.
ஹலோ யா யூ ப்ளீஸ் ராமு. இது நீங்க ஜஸ்ட் கனெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. கொஞ்ச நேரம் அது வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்க. அவங்க வந்து டெமோ கொடுக்குறாங்க. வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை. டெமோ வந்து நீங்க பாத்துட்டீங்கன்னா நான் உங்களுக்கு இல்ல ஆடியோ வருமே உங்களுக்கு. அது முன்னாடி ஸ்கிரீன்ல வந்து இது வருமே. ஸ்பீக்கர் இருந்தா ஸ்பீக்கர் நீங்க பேசணும்னா நீங்க இது பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்ப நான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். என்னோட ஸ்பீக்கர் ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு நான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு பேசணுன்ற மாதிரி ஏதாவது டவுட் கிளாரிபிகேஷன் ஏதாவதுன்னா நீங்க ஸ்பீக்கர் ஆன் பண்ணீங்கன்னா கிரீன்ல வரும். ஸ்பீக்கர் வந்து இப்போ அதை வந்து இது என்ன சொல்ற பார் மாதிரி ஒரு கோடு வந்து போட்டு ஆஃப் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அது ஸ்பீக்கர் மூட்ல இருக்கும். வீடியோவும் மூட்ல தான் வச்சிருக்கோம். நீங்க வீடியோ மூட்ல வச்சுங்க. ஸ்பீக்கர் வந்து மூட்ல வச்சுங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்குன்னா ஸ்பீக்கர் ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு ஜஸ்ட் கேளுங்க. வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை. நான் உங்களுக்கு இது பண்றேன். நான் டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்றேன். இல்ல இல்ல அது 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 வந்து அப்புறம் நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா இது வந்து ஊகாமஸோட வெப்சைட் வந்து டெமோ இருக்கு. புரியுதுங்களா? நீங்க ஜஸ்ட் சும்மா வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்க. வேற ஒண்ணுமே வேணாம். நான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து மத்தது எதுவா இருந்தாலும் நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு நான் அப்டேஷன் கொடுக்குறேன். என்ன பண்ணணும்ன்றது வந்து நான் அப்டேஷன் கொடுக்குறேன். ஜஸ்ட் நீங்க வாட்ச் மட்டும் பண்ணீங்க. அப்படியே கண்டினியூஸா டீம் இது மீட்டிங் முடிகிற வரலாம் வாட்ச் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தா மட்டும் கேளுங்க. டவுட் இல்லைன்னா கூட அப்படியே நோட்டிஃபை பண்ணி கூட வச்சுங்க. ஏதாவது ஒரு பீஸ் ஆஃப் பேப்பர்ல அவங்க உங்க அண்ணி இருந்தாங்கன்னா அவங்களும் பக்கத்துல உட்காந்து பார்க்க சொல்லுங்க. நான் அப்புறம் வந்துட்டு நானும் கார்த்தி லேப்டாப் எடுத்துன்னு வரோம். எடுத்து வந்துட்டு நான் உங்களுக்கு ட்ரைனிங் நான் தனியாக கொடுப்பேன். ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. வீட்டில் கேளு. ஸ்கேன் பண்ணு. Yeah, you can continue.
Let them connect, Umapati sir. I can wait. Again, if they come again, I have to show again. So better let them connect. So that will be great for me. I can show them in single time. Everyone can see.
உங்க வீட்டில் கனெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. யாராவது ஒருத்தர் 2 பேரும் கனெக்ட் ஆகும். நீ போட்டியா? ஸ்கேன் பண்ணிட்டியா? ஸ்கேன் பண்ணி வரும். அது என்ன பண்ணுன்னா உங்களோட இது டெஸ்க்டாப்ல போயிட்டு கூகுள்ல போயிட்டு வாட்ஸ்அப் வெப் வியூன்னு டைப் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அதுல வரும். அதுல போயிட்டு அதை கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா சைட்ல வந்து அந்த ஒரு கியூஆர் கோடு பார்கோடு மாதிரி வரும். இந்த கேமராவோ அந்த பார்கோடை ஸ்கேன் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களோட வாட்ஸ்அப் வந்து உங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ல நீங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
Check the number like that.
எப்படி அப்ப இப்ப follow பண்ணு. Akbar,
Yes, Mahapati sir.
yeah, you can continue. I'm
Okay.
available in Pondicherry only, so that I can teach them. No problem.
Okay.
Ah,
So the thing is in Style Hub, which we got the Excel sheet from your side. Here is the image names.
okay.
So in image name, as I already told them, and I already told you as well as in between the image names, don't use commas, exclamatory mark, semicolons. This comma is okay,
Comma
but
also
in
not to
between
be
the
used.
image name, no, in
Comma
between,
record or not record?
in between image names. If we are separating two images, we need comma over there. But between the title of image, they are using comma over there.
Hyphen and comma.
Yes, the hyphen is okay, but they should not use the comma over like
Yes.
here.
Okay,
Women's
okay,
sari,
I got
comma,
it, I got
Khushi
it.
silk.
These are all
This
the
comma
minor
is
mistakes.
okay because we are separating two images here. This comma is okay.
Yeah.
So once we are
Between the,
uploading,
yes.
yeah.
Punita,
So this,
one second. Punita, you switch on the speaker. Pritika, Pritima. இது ஆஃப்லைன்ல கட்டுது அவர் கனெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காரா இல்லையான்னு தெரியல. ஓகே யூ கேரி ஆன்.
so we don't need commas in between the image names.
ஓகே.
டாடி
பிரித்திகா, அம்மா கொஞ்சம் வாட்ச் பண்ண சொல்லுங்கண்ணா. நீங்க ஸ்பீக்கர் வந்து ஆஃப்
சரி
பண்ணிடுங்க.
ஓகே ஓகே
ஸ்பீக்கர் வந்து ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க. அம்மா வந்து வாட்ச் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. ஏன்னா அம்மா பண்ண அப்டேஷன் பண்ணதா அது எல்லா கரெக்ஷன்ஸ் என்னன்றது வந்து அவங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்.
சரி ஓகே.
வந்து ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க போதும். எஸ் யூ கேன் கண்டினியூ. ஹலோ.
Yes, Mahapati.
Yeah, you can continue.
Yeah, so they have to rename the image name and image title as well as so they have used commas in between the images as well as here they have uses multiple spaces like here 2233 space they have used single space is enough.
Okay,
like this.
Yes.
In name of the title comma okay, no problem, but inside between the images we don't require commas, exclamatory mark, semicolon, and colon. Hyphen, okay, no
Okay.
problem. We can use hyphen, but these comma we don't require. This
Okay.
comma, if we are separating two images, then we need comma. That is
Okay.
compulsory. We need this comma, but in
Okay.
between the name of the image, we don't require comma.
Okay. Okay. I got it. I got it. I got it.
So this is the main concern. We already completed 3 Excels. Now we have to upload it, but we are facing this issue that we can't upload these images.
Okay. Style up these images. I will ask him to do a rework by today or
Style
tomorrow
and
or something.
Vaibhav as well as Umapati sir. In Vaibhav also I have shown you yesterday. In Vaibhav also in image name they have used commas.
Could you please open?
Yes, opening once again. Here, comma.
This was several cases happened like that, or one or two cases only.
Every product Umapati sir. This comma in image, why we use this? We are separating two images, then only we use comma. In names there are two to in one image they have used 2 to 3 times comma, means these names are separated by commas only. So this
Okay.
image is not found is showing when I'm uploading the Excel sheet. So I need one image. Once image is completed, then only I need one comma
Okay. No,
like this.
my question is, how many cases this was happened like this?
Complete Excel sheet, Umapati sir. Here also you can see. Here also you can see same thing. Here, 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 here. Now on Style Hub, we are working because we have to upload products, so we are working on the Style Hub. So
Okay,
you guys
between the
have to
product
work on
code
the
they have
Vaibhav.
mentioned DNPAL 1092. Is it
Yes,
acceptable by the system or not?
yeah, that's okay, but they should not use comma
Between before and after,
in between the name of images. After image, they can use. Once our
okay.
image is
It
completed,
should
they
be
can use comma.
it should be after JPG or
Yes,
JPEG. The comma should be
JPG,
come. Before that,
come,
yeah, before that there should not be any hyphen, full stop, or any
comma,
kind of comma or something.
or in symbols.
Special characters.
Special characters we don't need.
Okay. Underline, underscore, star.
Underscore
Okay.
hyphen, okay, no problem, but comma, semicolon, colon, full stop,
Ah,
we should not use that such kind of symbol.
okay. Okay. I think I will do one thing. Probably this Excel sheet I'll open for the image names. Especially this was happening only image name only, no?
Yes, only on image name, Mohammed sir.
Only
If okay,
on images.
if they are not editing image name product name, that okay, no problem, but they have
Okay.
to edit the image name properly and image folder as well as.
Okay. Okay. Okay then. Okay, you can move for next. What is the other issues?
This is the issue, Mohammed sir. We are already completed uh, Vaheguru, Style Hub, Vaibhav, and one more is there.
Okay.
3 Excel sheet we
Now
have completed, but
see.
we are facing this comma problem.
i-
Otherwise, it
i-
is going to
So
be
okay,
uploaded on Monday only.
let me ask one thing. You are already you have completed whatever corrections you required, or we have to do a correction and forward to once again.
Yeah, I am saying Vaibhav, SK Industries, and Vaheguru, you have to do it. SK Industries, we are doing from our side.
SK Industries, you are doing at your end. Okay.
Yes,
So Vaibhav Fashion need to be checked and correct line by line.
yes,
Then after that, what is the other vendor? Stylehub also.
Stylehub we are working. Vaibhav,
Okay.
SK Industries. One second, let me ask.
No, SK
We are
Industries
working.
and Vaibhav, SK Industries and Stylehub you are doing at your end itself.
Stylehub we are doing.
Uh,
SK
SK also you
Industries,
are doing it.
Vaibhav and Vaibhav we have to do it.
Sorry.
SK Industries, Vaheguru,
Uh,
and Vaibhav Industries. These three you have to do it. On one Excel sheet we are working simultaneously, me and that lady. Still work is going
no,
on. We
no.
are rectifying each and every
Vaibhav
error over
Fashion.
there.
Okay, Vaibhav Fashion I'm doing it. Vaheguru group we are doing it. What is the other one more vendor?
SK Industries.
Also we have to complete our end.
Yes, Mohammad sir.
Okay, only Stylehub you are doing at your end.
Yes, currently we are working on Stylehub only.
Okay, so you can make a correction and accordingly you can upload it.
Yes, we are doing that only.
Okay. Rest of the vendors I have to do it by 3 vendors. Okay, no problem.
Yes, Mohammad.
I will check thoroughly and I'll make a corrections accordingly. We will forward by tomorrow or maximum day after tomorrow. Tomorrow I will try my level best. Okay.
No problem. So
If possible today
till then we
tonight
can finish.
also.
Till then we can finish Stylehub. So if you are taking time, also no problem. So we have already we are working on Stylehub.
Because I want to complete this one. Okay. We can move. This is the only whatever the issues are coming recently.
These are only which I have shown you just now.
Okay. This topic is over. I think. Can we move for a demo? Is there anything?
We have completed Jaipuri collection, completely finished.
Okay. Uploaded also.
Yes.
Okay. அவன் கனெக்ட் பண்ண முடியலடா. கனெக்ட் பண்ண முடியா? வேற யாரும் அவன் இல்ல ஏன் முடியல? எல்லாம் நீ காலேஜ் இது அவ பிரியாவா சக்தி என்ன பேரு? சத்யா. எல்லாம் அங்கதான் கனெக்ட் தெரியல. நீ இதை அப்படியே பாத்துனே நான் அது இந்த போன்ல பேசுறேன். ஏன்னா அது தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். சத்யா கூட்டு உட்கார வைன்னு சொன்னானே. இது அப்படியே நீ ஜஸ்ட் இது மட்டும் வாட்ச் பண்ணி பேசுறேன். இது going to show. அப்படியே ஜஸ்ட் இது மட்டும் பிடிச்சிரு. நான் அந்த போன்ல நான் பேசுறேன். நான் வீடியோ கால் எடுத்து நான் பேசுறேன். நீ பண்ண எனக்கு வீடியோ கால் எடுத்தா நான் ஒண்ணு சொல்றேன். இது வேற கட்டாயம். வீடியோ கால் அட்டன் பண்ணுவாங்களா? எங்க வீட்டுக்கு போடுறேன். நான் லைன்ல போன்ல இருக்கேன். கட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். தமிழா வீடியோ காலுக்கு வா. ரூவினாக்குதா ஜோதி பிரகாஷ் சத்யா வந்துச்சா? வீடியோ கால் வருது. ஐயோ மொபைல் அங்கதான் வச்சுக்கோங்க. நான் அதை கையில வச்சுக்கிறேன். ஒரு நிமிஷம். நீங்க நேரம் அந்த ஸ்கிரீன் கொஞ்சம் கீழே இருக்கு கேமரா கீழே இருக்கு. அதுல அதை கனெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ரைட் சைடு ஒரு பார்கோட் மாதிரி சும்மா டிக் பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க இல்ல பேக் வாங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ல இது லெஃப்ட் இந்த லெஃப்ட் சைடுல காட்டுங்க லெஃப்ட் சைடுல ஸ்கிரீன்ல வந்து இப்ப மேல கரெக்டா இருக்கு அந்த மேல உமாபதினு இருக்கு பாருங்க அதை போய் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க உமாபதினா CW பிஆர்டின்னு இருக்கு இல்லையா CW பிஆர்டி அது போய் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க அது மெசேஜ் வருதா ரைட் சைடா அது ரைட்ல வாங்க இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ரைட்ல அந்த கீழே கொஞ்சம் மேல போனை வந்து கீழே இருக்கு கேமரா வந்து தெரியல மேல இருக்கு அந்த லிங்க் இருக்கு பாருங்க இப்ப அமிச்சதானே நான் கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி அமிச்சேன் அந்த லிங்க் அதில் போய் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க போட்டு மீட்டிங் போட்டா எனக்கு ஸ்கிரீன் சும்மா தெரியல அதை போய் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க போட்டு மீட்டிங் அது கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா அதுல போயிட்டு அதுல என்ன கேக்குது பாருங்க டவுன்லோட் அப்ளிகேஷன் வந்து டைரக்டா ஜாயின் பண்ண சொல்லி கேக்குது அது என்ன இருக்கு இங்கிலீஷ்ல என்ன இருக்கு அது கீழே வந்து டைரக்டா ஜாயின் பண்ண அதர்வைஸ் டைரக்ட்லி ஜாயின் அப்படின்னு வருது பாருங்க அந்த மீட்டிங் ஐடி இந்த நம்பர் இருக்கு இல்லையா உங்க வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர்ல வரும் பாருங்க 1177 ஏதோ சம்திங் இருக்கு பாருங்க ஒரு 5-6 நம்பர் இருக்கு பாருங்க மீட்டிங் ஐடி போய் அதை போய் உள்ள போயிட்டு எத்தி போனீங்கன்னா நீங்க நேரம் மீட்டிங் மேல போய் ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க அந்த ஐடியை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க அப்படியே கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா மீட்டிங்ல ஜாயின் ஆகிடுங்க அந்த ஆப்பை வந்து கொஞ்சம் இது பண்ணிக்கலாம் இப்போ ஸ்கிரீன் வந்து இந்த மொபைல வந்து ஹாரிசான்டலா இருக்கு எனக்கு ஸ்கிரீன் வந்து சரியா தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது அது வந்து இங்க கார்னர்ல சென்டர் போங்க மிடில் இருக்கு பாருங்க ப்ளூ கலர் இருக்குல்ல அது கிட்ட டவுன்லோட் அப்ளிகேஷன் அதை என்ன அப்ளிகேஷன் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க டவுன்லோட் அப்ளிகேஷன் மேல என்ன இன்ஸ்டால் போட்டு அது கீழே அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் கீழே வாங்க அப்படியே பொறுமையா எடுத்துவாங்க நான் படிக்கிறேன் இன்ஸ்டால் அப்ளிகேஷன் கீழே கீழே வாங்க கீழே லெஃப்ட் சைடு ஸ்கிரீன் ஃபுல்லா படிக்கிறேன் சேவ் அண்ட் கிளிக் போட்டு கீழே அதுக்கு எதாவது கீழே போட்டு மீட்டிங் கீழே கீழே இன்ஸ்டாலேஷன் கீழே உள்ள எடுத்துவாங்க mobile downloading. Okay. Join on the recording. அதுல வந்து மற்றவங்க தமிழ் தானே ஹெட்போன்
டிராவல் இருக்குது பாரு ஹெட்போன் சொல்லு
ஹெட்போன் எடுத்து மாட்டிக்கலாம் சைடுல இதுல போய் மாட்டிக்க வச்சு மைக்ரோஃபோன் வித்தவுட் மைக்ரோஃபோன் கூட போடுங்க நீங்க மைக்ரோ மேல கண்டினியூ வித்தவுட் மைக்ரோஃபோன் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க ஹெட்போன் இருக்கா பாருங்க டிராவல்ல எடுத்து நீங்க காதுல வச்சு கனெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு சீட்டை வந்து இதுல சொல்லிக்கணும் இப்போ அவங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ல வந்துட்டீங்களா அதை அப்படியே நீங்க வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்க அதுல இருந்து முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கு பேரு கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது இது கொஞ்சம் ரைட்டா என்ன கேட்குது ஜாயின் மீட்டிங் நீங்க வந்து தமிழ் போடுங்க பாண்டி டீம் தமிழ் பாண்டி டீம் போடுங்க அதுல வந்து உங்களோட இமெயில் ஐடி இல்லையா CW பாண்டி 11@gmail.com போட்டு ஓகே சரி ஓகே நீங்க அப்படியே கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம் மீட்டிங்ல என்ன நான் அங்க அவரோட வாட்ச் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் சரி ஓகே நான் கட் பண்ணிடுறேன் இதை கட் பண்ணிடுறேன் நீங்க அது உங்க பேர் போட்டு இமெயில் ஐடி CW பாண்டி 5 போடுங்க @gmail.com போட்டுட்டு ஓகே கொடுத்துருங்க நீங்க அந்த ஸ்கிரீன் வந்து நீங்க கேட்டுக்கலாம் அவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்றது அப்படியே ஜஸ்ட் க்ளோஸா வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்க கூட பேரு சத்யாவும் கூட இருக்கிற மாதிரி பாத்துங்க இல்லம்மா, 2 பேரும் ஒரே ஸ்கிரீன்ல கேளுங்கம்மா, ஒண்ணும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? அதுல வந்து ஸ்பீக்கர் இருப்பாங்க, ஸ்பீக்கர் மட்டும் நீங்க ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க, வீடியோவும் ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க. வீடியோ வந்து அவங்களுக்கு தெரியாது. ஸ்பீக்கரையும் வீடியோவும் நீங்க ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா அவங்க சொல்றதை just பார்த்து இமெயில் ஐடி கொடுத்துட்டு நீங்க ஓகே கொடுத்துருங்க. ஓகே, நான் வச்சிடறேம்மா.
கட் ஆயிடுச்சா? இது போயிருந்தாங்க, அதுல இருந்து அசைவே இல்லை.
ஹலோ
Yes, Mumbai sir.
hello, yeah, you can carry on. Sorry, one more team also joined, so that is the reason I took some time. Now you can continue now.
Yeah, from my side, I'm completed. If you have any doubt, let me know.
No, this demo related.
Okay. So Jaipuri collection we have completed.
Okay, this is okay. Product upload related, I don't have any, because you told me for 3 vendors need to be
Okay.
make a correction for the images renaming,
Yes.
whatever renaming was provided, it
Okay.
has to be corrected as per the record level. Now we are moving
Okay.
for entire team members. Please carefully watch on that. What is the screen we are going to have now? Continuing for the demo, this is going to be our WooCommerce application. Some models will have a vendor related, some models will have a finance model, somebody will handle for the product related, somebody will have administration related. So everybody should watch clearly without any disturbance. Keep all the the connections and carefully watch it. Now we are going for product, or which side we are starting from? Admin side or which
Yeah.
one?
Products. Site is okay. Anyone can do that. So we will directly move for the product.
Okay.
So here are the all products which we have uploaded till now. Okay. So here anyone can add a new product.
Okay.
A single product.
Can you make any one single product for test also? Multiple.
As of now, I'm working from Abbas laptop. Might be he don't have that much data. So let me try for the dummy one. So I will select as a dummy.
Demo sample.
Yeah, demo sample. So
you
here
can add
we
as
have
a demo
the categories. So this is the product name. And here are the product categories which we have created, like women's, men's, saris, kurtis, dhotis, lehenga, gowns, anything, whatever categories you want, you can select it from over here, or bags, or if anything you want, you can add also. If you want to add any new category, you can click here and you can add a new category as well as.
Okay, you can mention say category dummy. You can LED solar lights.
Okay, LED solar.
No, LED. Sorry. LED street lights.
Street lights. Okay, this is a new category we just now added. Now here we can have a small description about the product.
Okay.
And now we have selected the category over here, LED street lights. Now we have to give a product image here. So already we have so many images we have used till now on our website. So might be we have an LED. Okay,
solar related or lights or any other whatever bulb, tube.
Yeah, set here, and I am using this one. So this is the product image. If we have any product gallery as well as if we have multiple images for that product, so we can add any other images as well as. So I'm selecting this one and this one. So these two images will go to the gallery page. Now here we can give a regular price, like it is in 850 in market, but we are selling it 550. Okay, this is the inventory. So we can give here SKU code for the product. So here LED hyphen 2505. This is the code for your information. So whenever a customer make a order, you will get by order by this number only, LED
Abhi
2505.
again.
If you search this, then you will get this product in your inventory.
Ah,
So here again, shipping, if we created shipping classes by weight, so here we can give a weight as well as, so it is, might be a 250 gram. We can give length dimension as well as, so here it might be, it is in cm 55 6 and height 3. Here again we can give some little bit more description about the product.
Huh? Sorry.
Then once we finish with everything, like here general we have given the regular price and sell price. Inventory we have given SKU code. In stock, then shipping we have given weight, it is a 250 gram product. In dimension, width and height, it is 5 centimeter in width, height and breadth. Now a shipping class, it is chargeable. Right now we have only one class that is chargeable. If you want multiple classes, you can create a multiple classes and that classes will appear here. So we can select that class and we can use that class. So based on the location, we can create a class as well. If user is selecting Hyderabad and the product and the vendor is from Chennai, so based on Hyderabad also we can give a class. If a user is selecting Hyderabad, then shipping class will change automatically and it will get shipping of Hyderabad, and it will might be user will get more user have to pay more amount for the shipping. So
Okay.
right now we have only one class that is chargeable, which for we are using for the Chennai and local shipping classes. So this is for the basic product. Now I'm publishing it. Once it's published, you can see that product. We can view that product over here. So just now we have created one product that is dummy, which is in 550 in stock. SKU code is this one, and these are its gallery images. And this is the description. Yeah, additional information also we have given: weight 2.5 kg, 563 in centimeter in dimension. Reviews, if user have given any review, then it will appear over here. This is the store. If any vendor uploading this, then store policies will appear over here. In inquiries, user can have any query, they can ask that question. That questions will appear here. So this one is, we have given option here. If user have any question, they will ask here, and once we have answered that question, that answers will come over there.
Okay.
This is for the single product. Now same product, I'm making a variable product, means we have variety of LEDs like in size wise or color wise. So here we have to change simple product to variable product.
This is for the single item.
Just now which I have shown you, that is for the single, and right now I'm showing for the variable product, like in size wise or color wise or any other attributes. So here first we have to add attributes. So we have these many attributes which we have used till now.
Okay.
So we'll go with the color only. So here it is color. So in color, I'm using
Okay.
blue.
One more thing, Akbar. Last time
Yeah.
when we had a meeting, this color code, whatever they are mentioning, it is exceeding more than 28 digit,
Yes, yes.
26 digit. Uh, we had a discussion. You are going to prepare for the short link like black BL, blue for black for BK or blue for BL, like red for RE or RD, green for GR.
Yes.
Like you have to make it as a type, the color category and short form of the wordings that I did not receive it till now.
No, actually, we were working on the attributes part as well as, and we tried to search to get more characters, but
Uh,
I couldn't get that part as well as we
no,
have to.
no. See, as
So
of
for
now,
that,
as of now, the
as you
whatever,
say, I'm providing that. No, no, I'm providing you
yeah,
right now. No problem over this.
no problem. See, whatever the colors are, bare minimum. How many colors you can take it as now? As of now, 36 or 40.
We can use 28 characters.
No, no. I'm talking about the colors like white, black, green, yellow, orange, sky blue.
That's what I'm
Like,
saying you. That's what I'm
uh,
saying you.
uh,
Like blue, green, and red. These are the characters. Blue
uh,
have 4, green have 4, red has 3. So 3
uh,
plus 4 is equal to 8 and 11, and 2 spaces.
uh,
13 characters we are using over here. So more
okay.
15 characters we can use over here.
Uh,
So like that we have to create the color codes.
No, if you are providing for short forms, it will be easier for updating by our team
Okay,
members.
after this meeting, I will provide you, no problem.
Yeah, yeah. You can type it in the board or Excel or something, so that I will
Yep.
circulate to. You can put all the email IDs, whatever I already shared. The general communication which I made it.
Okay, okay.
General
Now in
communication
that
which
group
I.
only I will post it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can send a reply to mail so that
Okay.
everybody they can receive it and they can understand. Okay, you can continue.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So here it is a variable product. So we have selected 3 colors which we have created in attributes. So blue, green, and red. So here I am clicking on the use for variation. Now click on the save attributes. Now
Okay.
come to the variations.
Uh,
It will take a loader here. Now here we have to select create variation from the all attributes. So we will get the 3 product columns over here. Blue, green, and red. So once we click on blue, we will get a SKU code over here, and image, variation price, sale price, stock quantity, weight. Same as parent. If you want, you can keep it, no problem. So here I'm selecting an image for the blue variant. So like this, we have a blue price. I'm giving it is a regular price 850 and sale price 550. SKU code LED 2505-1. In stock, same as parent, we are using 2.50 gram 563 in dimension, same as parent. Everything we are using same, just we are changing the image. Green, SKU code 850 550. Then last one is red. Now I am publishing this one. So once I click on refresh, this will get updated. Now this is a group product, variable product. So here if we click on the color, the image will replicate over here. Same for the green and red for red. This is for the group product.
okay.
And if you want, you can change rate as well as for the different product. We can have a different rate as well. So let me show you for the variations. For green, might be we have a 650 rate,
Okay.
and for red we have 750. And now I'm
Okay.
updating this. I'm refreshing this. So here you can see from 550 to 750 till we have these products. So once I click on the green, blue, it will show me the 550, green
Mhm.
650, and red 750.
Okay.
This is for the variable product.
Okay.
And if this product belongs to any store vendor, we can set that as well as. So till now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 vendors over here. Agarwal Decor, Jaipur
You can
Collection, Sara
mention for
Collection,
web
and Styler.
tractions. Web
Yeah,
tractions. Web tractions.
yeah. So we can select this one, web traction. So once we click on the update, it will go to the web traction vendor account.
Mm.
Okay, Mohampati sir.
See, this Vaghe Guru Group, Vaghe
Yes.
Group. This vendor is not aligning with us, so we have to put
Okay.
all in the name of SK Industries name only.
Okay. So whatever Vaheguru we have resizes images and Excel, we have to move that to SK Industries.
Yes. SK Industries name only.
Okay.
I think I send a message also to you.
No, might be you have told me on
Only in the
phone.
vendor name only you are going to change it now. The vendor name only you
Yes.
are going to make a changes. Is it correct?
Yes, no problem. We can change
Yes.
that
Okay,
Vaheguru to
you can continue. You can continue, please.
industry. Okay. This is for the single product and variable product.
Okay. Now bulk product.
Bulk product, right now the Excel sheets are not working, otherwise once you have shown me send me the Excel sheet properly, then I can show you, no problem. That
Okay.
part also I
Now
can show you little bit.
currently you don't have anything to upload, huh?
Yeah, we are working on that part only, so that's why. So here we have that option, product imports. Once I click here, it will redirect me to the choose file option. Once I click, let me show you that Wahid group which we have already, and I can show you the errors as well as.
Okay.
Style hub only will. So this is the Excel which we are using. Now I am clicking on the continue part. It will show me the table columns what we have in that Excel sheet. If I don't require anything, we can remove it from over here. If I click here and I don't want this one, I can select that and I can remove that column from over there. So as of now,
Okay.
we require everything. So I'm just clicking on the run the importer.
Mm.
Now it is taking time. So it's reading the
Okay.
Excel sheet. Then it will show me the message what how many products is completed, and if it is failed, what is the error log. It will show me that such things over there. One product skipped and 87 products have been failed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So if I click on the view import log, it will show me the what is the error actually we are getting while uploading. So I will show you.
ah,
It is mainly only image name.
this will show for all the line items or only where error where
Yeah, complete. Whatever
no, no.
error we are getting for every products, it will show me that. And
Ah,
whatever we have uploaded, it will
okay,
show
okay,
me
okay.
this product is
Okay.
uploaded, and these products which we have not uploaded, it have these errors. It will show me like that.
Okay, okay, okay.
So here is
Okay,
the
you
error.
can show that errors.
Yeah, in image they have used commas.
Ah,
This is the error.
so that can be manually we can edit and make a correction, or we have to do what we have to do it.
We have to edit this in Excel, and again we have to upload it.
So now this cannot be system will not accept for this kind of things.
Manually, if we upload single product, it will accept. While we are
Ah,
uploading bulk items through Excel sheet,
ah,
then it will not going to accept it. Manually,
okay,
if we are uploading means it will change that name and it will remove the comma by its end, and it will change that particular product name and image name, and it will get uploaded.
okay,
But we have to use we have to upload single product.
okay,
Just now what we have done for the dummy, we have to do like that only. It
okay,
will consume more time then.
okay.
So that lady is currently working on the Style Hub, and once she complete the editing, then I will upload it.
Okay, no problem. Now you can. What is the next step? We have to do it. This.
Now just waiting from your call, Mohammed, sir, like Excel sheets, and if
Okay.
you want any other things
No,
on
no. See,
homepage,
this
like
three vendor. I'll ask him to do for a rework, and I will
okay,
once again I will upload that one. Forward to
okay,
you. This is a
okay,
product. Okay, now product for single product upload, multi product upload. Also, we have completed demo. What is the next
yes.
demo? Admin part. You're going for admin part now, or finally we can go for admin part.
Admin part I will show you once we have completed everything, Umapati sir. I can show you the product upload, product bulk upload, and page editing.
Okay, page editing. Now page editing we have to do it.
Yeah, no problem. I will show you. So as you said, you want to change clothwardrobe.com in private limited. You don't want. It was on company privacy policy. So we'll edit this page. So for this, we have to come to this page section. Here we have all pages.
Okay.
So company policy we have to edit. So I'm clicking on here. If you took your mouse over here, here you can see edit, quick edit, trash, view, edit in page bakery, page builder. So I'm clicking on the edit part. Now this page will open like this. Now here on pencil mark we have to click. The text block pop-up will be appear here. Now we have to edit. So as you say, you don't want this internet private limited, you want only company. Okay, now I'm clicking on the save changes, update. Now on this page it is removed. Now this is right now cloth wardrobe company. Same thing I have to do it for the footer, this one, and other page as well as where we have cloth wardrobe internet private limited. We have to edit that and we have to change it.
Are you there?
Yes, Mohammad sir.
Okay.
ஹலோ
Hello. Yeah, Pritika.
டாடி
Ah,
அந்த சார்ஜர் இல்ல டாடி டேப்ல சார்ஜர் கம்மியா தான் இருக்கு.
charger இல்லையா? You don't have a charger?
நோ
Power bank. You have a power bank or not?
நோ ஐ கீப் இட் இன் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம்.
You kept at home, huh? So, okay. Now, is there any possibility to connect it? Otherwise, you can disconnect it.
நோ
Where are
நோ
you right?
நத்திங் இஸ் பாசிபிள்.
No. Where are you right now?
கேஎஃப்சி சிக்கன்
Huh?
கேஎஃப்சி ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்.
Okay. இல்ல சித்தப்பா கிட்ட சொல்லி அங்க ஏதாவது கனெக்ட் பண்ண முடியுமா? சார்ஜர் ஏதாவது இருந்தா வச்சு கனெக்ட் பண்ண முடியுமான்னு பாரு.
அதுக்கு ஏத்த கேபிள் நாங்க ஒயர் வச்சிருவோம் இல்லையே.
அங்க ஏதாவது இருக்கும்டா. அங்க ஏதாவது சார்ஜர் இருந்தா கொஞ்சம் கொடுத்து கனெக்ட் பண்ண சொல்லு. டேபிள் பக்கத்துல ஏதாவது சாக்கெட் இருக்கும். அங்க கனெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க யூ கேன் கேரி ஆன். சும்மா see you have to watch him. That just watch him. That's it. Nothing other than that. You can continue.
இப்ப இதுக்கு அப்புறம் அம்மா பார்க்கணும் அவசியம் இல்ல.
இல்ல அம்மா பார்க்கணுன்றது அவசியம் இல்ல. வேணா நீங்க பார்க்கணும்னா பாருங்க. You can continue. ஸ்பீக்கர் மூட் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க கனெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு யூ கேன் கண்டினியூ. நீங்க சாப்பிட்டு முடிச்சுட்டு போறது வரலாம் அங்க நீங்க பாத்துட்டு இருக்கலாம் அத. ஓகேவா?
சரி
ஓகே யூ கேன் புட் அ மூட். யா Akbar?
Yes, Mohammad sir.
Yeah. You are supposed to be show for that. Are you doing it editing at your backend or what?
Yeah, it's done and I have shown you as well as.
This is over in the bottom. I'm talking about bottom.
Yeah, bottom that I have to do it in the code part. That is not in
Okay.
page.
Okay. So you can move for next. What is the next session?
Page we have completed, product we have completed, bulk product we have completed. We have seen the product creation as well as variable product, normal product as well as everything from my end is completed. If you have any doubt, let me know.
Vendor registration and all.
Vendor registration I will show you. Vendor registration we are generally we are doing from the admin part only, and that part is different. It is not belongs to here, so that is different.
Okay.
The vendor will come over here. So these are store vendors currently we have.
The store vendor. I'm not talking about store vendor.
No, vendor
Vendor
creation you
management,
said.
vendor registration. Suppose any vendor like Vaibhav
Vendor-
Fashion,
Yes.
like
I'm showing
Jaipuri
that.
collection, some more vendor I want to
Yes, sir.
register it.
Yes, I am showing you that part only.
Ah,
So till now we have Agarwal, Jaipuri, Sara collection, Style Hub. Web traction is dummy, so we can delete it, no problem. Whenever you want, we can delete it. Okay, for editing, adding new vendor, we have to click here on the store vendors, add new. So here we have to give a username first of all, like a web key, anything. Then vendor emails, which we have purchased, we are going to use that same email here. So for that vendor, particular vendor, we are creating one email and we are putting that email over here.
okay.
Then store name, like Style Hub, same name we are using over here also. Then store email, if they want to give a store email as well as they can give store emails, but we are not giving any store email and phone number over there. Okay. Then store logo, if they have any store logo, we can upload over here as well as. Then a store banner, we can upload banner over there, and store banner for mobile we can upload over here.
Okay.
Then some description about the store. Then store address, what is the address of the store, where it's located, we have to
Okay,
upload over
this
complete
can be
details
done
if we want to show.
Once we finalize it for vendor, maybe in future if I'm going to add this vendor product, I can add in this category for vendor code also.
Yes.
I can create myself, even though the product is going to be uploaded or not, I can create the vendor.
Yes, definitely you can.
Suppose some of the vendor is not performing, I can switch over, edit that vendor name, and I can make a
Yes, we
remodification.
can simply we
Like
have to come here.
Agarwal Decor, they are not showing any interest.
Yes, complete store vendors are here. Here we have option. This I mark is for the editing. This is the complete
Ah,
order what we have get for this vendor. And here it is the cross mark which we are showing here. It's coming. It is for disabling that particular vendor. If we click
no,
on
no,
here,
disabling.
the
See, I don't want to disable, make a disable or something. Agarwal Decor, the vendor name, I want to replace it into SK Industries.
yes, we can. We have to click on the edit part
Ah,
and rename it. That's it.
so we can directly change the name, without
Yes,
any
we can.
interference. Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay then, okay. You can move for next.
And for the order, I have already shown you for the particular vendor. If you want to see any order, we can click
Ah,
that vendor and we can see the order, whatever vendors we have, orders we got for that particular vendor, and we can categorize them when we can see. We already
ah,
we already did one dummy transaction as well as which is COD.
ah,
Once when
okay.
VU was here only, and that is for Agarwal Decors only we did, and it is unpaid 44 rupees item was there. Sorry, 899 via cash on delivery, and this is this shipping charges.
Okay.
Not shipping, that's commission. This is the order, and if you want to see complete orders, so you can come over here. This is for the complete vendors, and if you want to see complete orders, whatever you have got, you can click here and you can see the complete orders.
This is for the mixed vendor or only vendor wise?
Only complete orders, mixed vendors.
Order for the day.
Yes.
Whatever the vendor wise, the order, it will be shorted, short down by vendor wise, or it will be minged by order number wise.
Yeah, it will be. You can sort it, no problem. Here we have option. If like here you can see
So,
it.
see,
It's
Akbar,
showing the store name
last
as
time,
well.
once again, last time when we had a discussion, suppose if I'm going to receive the order, then how can I communicate to the vendor, respective vendor?
Yes.
So,
This is the
suppose for
Agarwal
example, you
Decors.
can create for dummy order also, or maybe whatever already we put a dummy order. In the dummy order, you can, how you have to send a communication to the vendor perspective.
Yes. This is the only I'm showing you, Umapati.
Yes, yes. So,
So here is the
Janaki,
order which we got for the Agarwal Decors. Click on that
Janaki,
Agarwal Decors.
Janaki, you can switch on your speaker.
Okay.
So this is very important for you. Your session going to be start with the, this. I mean, whatever is Mr. Akbar is going to show to you. This is your part.
Okay.
In future, you have to concentrate this very carefully. Whatever doubts are coming, you can switch on your speaker. You can raise your concern.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
watching.
Yes, yes. You can move the speaker now.
Okay.
So here is the vendor, Umapati sir, Agarwal Decors. Here I can
Ah,
see the complete orders of the vendors. So once I
okay.
am clicking on an order, it is redirecting me to the particular order. So what we have to do is simply click on the Excel and PDF, anything whichever you want. If I'm clicking on the Excel, the Excel we download it over here. Now I can open it and I can see the details. Order name and order ID, it's coming here. Item purchase, billing address, shipping address, order price, what is the commission. So this part we have to disable it, and simply we have to add one column over here for the Agarwal Decors, and what is the rate you are giving. You can edit this one and you can send to the Agarwal
But
Decors.
this will not come along with the Agarwal vendor name also.
Yeah, on Agarwal vendor only went over there and we have downloaded from over there only.
No. See, go back to the main screen. Is it showing from Agarwal vendor name? Agarwal Decor?
Yeah, it is for Agarwal Decor only.
No, where it is showing? Okay. Top of that. Okay. So that the whatever Excel sheet downloading, we have to put it in the Agarwal Decor name.
Yes.
Insert that their price also. Now,
Yes.
have you found any pricing which had a discussion? Vendor price.
Yeah, that is. I already told to Jamal about that. It is possible, but it is not going to replicate in the database over there. You have
But
to
wherever,
manually. Yeah, you
no,
have to
is
manually
there any
update that
possibility
field.
we can able to capture it somewhere?
Yes, we can, Umapati sir, but you have to add it manually. It is not going to update by Excel sheet.
Mm-hmm.
We can create an meta field over there. Extra field will appear on the same product. Then we can
Okay.
hide that particular field. You can add that field over there, and you can have a
But
backup
did you tried
for
for
that product.
any vendor or any vendor? Did you tried for any sample or
Yeah, I
something?
tried, but that is on my local system. It is not on live.
Okay. Now how can I able to capture it?
No. Once it is completely working, then only I will upload on the live server. It's not
Uh-huh.
working. That's why I didn't upload on the live server. Remove this.
Okay. That where we have to update that one.
Yes, that's what I'm saying you. I work on my local host system that is not on
Uh,
live
no,
server.
I'm
I work
talking
on my
about the
local system.
demo. When can you able to organize for that? How to update like that? Maybe you can do
Yeah,
it today or tomorrow or maybe
no,
tomorrow, day after tomorrow or
give
something.
me some time for that. Actually, I'm working on the Style Hub, so
Uh,
might be I will show you on Monday or Tuesday. I will not give you my word, but definitely I will try my best and I will show you.
okay. See, this three vendor, I will try my level best to complete as quick as possible. Okay, you don't worry.
Okay, okay,
I understood the where the mistake was happened.
okay,
I'll go through line by line where the mistake is there. I'll put it in a white screen or something so that wherever
okay,
the mistakes are there, I'll ask him to make a correction correspondingly with the image and renaming also.
okay,
So both will be corrected and resend it to you today or tomorrow maximum. Okay.
okay, okay.
Rest of the things, this vendor, even style up also I try my level best. So I don't want to concentrate you to make a correction at your end. If it is already corrected, correction has been done for 75% or 80% or something, remaining 20%, please do it at your end. I don't want to do a manipulation for once again, because you are
No,
the
no
final
problem.
authority to
I'm
upload for
We are
that
working
end.
on a Style Hub, and maybe today or day after tomorrow we'll finish that and we'll upload it
Okay.
successfully.
Then I think that is better. Complete at your end itself.
Yes.
Remaining three vendor, I will make a correction and re-forward it once again. Okay. Along
Okay.
together, I will finalize the vendor name also. This is going to be a
Okay.
final vendor. Henceforth, I am not going to change any vendor name also. So
Okay.
already some of the vendor they have not showed. So I removed from the group itself, and remaining things I was working on that. Anyway, I'll come back to you for vendor, further vendor names also as per
Okay.
our last meeting, and remaining product upload also. I will come back to you for another vendor.
Okay. Sure, Mohammed sir. Waiting for your call.
Yeah. Now you can move for what is the other session. So this Excel downloaded. After we have to add
Yes.
for the price and vendor name,
Vendor,
we have to
it's
send in
coming
the
from the store
folder.
manager only. Means single vendor you are going means you have to manually remember that we just now what we have downloaded.
No.
Like I just downloaded for the
Okay,
Agarwal
if it is
Decor,
on a
so they
single
have to
order,
write down over
single
here.
vendor, single order, I can do it. If it is in
Yes.
a multiple order, one single vendor, how we have to do it?
Yeah, here multiple vendors mean we have to categorize them. Then you can come over here and you can download that orders from over here also. So here also you can get it by vendor name. So I have to click here and Might be here it is don't have that option. I will show you once we will get 5-4 order over there for multiple vendors. I can show you that as well as.
Hello, Akbar. Hello, hello,
Yes,
Akbar.
Mohammed sir. Yes, Mohammed
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. You can create for Agarwal Decor 4 orders as a dummy order. Another 2 vendor, 3 order you can make it. Totally 10 orders if it is showing in a per day screen. How we have to download for the vendor wise and make a Excel, save it in a folder and sending to the communication to the vendor for the order, today's order received.
Okay, Mohammed sir, I will do that and I will share you. Give me some time for that.
Yeah, yeah.
Because we have to create this order. Then only we can do that part. So give me some time. It's like might be in a half an hour or 1 hour.
Okay,
So
if
I will
required,
create that Excel and I can
we
share
can
it.
reconnect it once again.
Yes, yes. No, not reconnection. I will share you the Excel sheet directly, and we can have a call
Okay,
over there. No problem.
okay. What is the other session we have to now? We have to go for
It's
other
it's
session.
it's completely done from my side, Umapathi.
Okay. Um.
Look, once I will give you the access, completely access, and you are going to update from your end, then only you will get some problems. Then you can ask me the things. Right now, currently we are updating from
No, no.
our
See.
side. So
Yeah, yeah,
you,
yeah, yeah. See, I want to try some products upload from our end. Then only we
okay,
will come to know what is the errors, real errors are coming, and how we have to resolve it. What is the reason behind, so that our team can understand clearly where the mistakes happening. Basically, when we are
yeah,
updating the
I can,
information in
I
CSV or
can give
something.
you that once I will finish my part, then only I can give that.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
If I'm giving
I
you
want to
some
make
part
a
and
one trial also.
something,
I want to make a
yeah,
one
tell
trial
me.
also. Trial product upload. Maybe
Definitely,
single product.
I will give you that. No,
Yeah, yeah.
no, don't worry. I will give
No, no,
you
no, no. See,
support
not for the
of
worrying or
45
something,
days.
Akbar. See,
No, no,
last
no.
time when
Look,
we had a discussion, I have
yeah,
only
no problem.
remaining 14 days are there as per my leave
Yeah,
policy. So I
I
can
know.
extend
Don't worry.
maximum 5 to 10
Let
days.
me, let me, let me.
Now company registration is over, GST is over. I'm finding for the office location. Once finalized by
Okay,
this weekend, maybe this week or by next week, I will make an
okay,
office setup and team will come and sit for the order processing, payment, and customer calling. Even toll free also I
okay,
have to collect. So I'm working for remaining other part. So parallelly, I
okay,
want to finish this training and demo, whatever is there. I have to find out a second in line person to take care during my absence. See, if the Saudi Arabia is going to clear for the by 5th or 6th, we are expecting for the clearance from the government
okay,
side. Whether they are going to
okay,
open for the airlines or they are going to be shut down further, how many days we do not know. But whatever
okay,
it may be, I have to travel by this month end. Worst
okay,
scenario. So in that scenario, I have to complete lot of things remaining pending, whatever is there.
okay.
So I'm working on that based on that only. So now rest of the things I will come back to you for uh, tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
We will do one thing, Umapati sir. We will have a discussion for this vendor-wise order on Monday. Might be half an hour is enough for us, our call. I will give you a
Okay,
call on Zoom and I can explain you, though, don't worry about it.
okay, 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 okay. Okay, then okay. So
Yeah.
as on today, this is the the demo you mean to
Yes,
say.
sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Is
ma'am.
there anything, any other model which was pending?
No, Mobadil sir, we have completed vendor, we have completed single product upload, variable product, and
Ah,
upload Excel sheet, as well as we have added the page, as well as we have completed each and every part. But once I
okay.
give you the access and you are working on it, then only you can see where you are facing any issues. So that
Okay.
time I can help. Don't worry about it.
You can cover up that time for vendor, vendor, not vendor. This one, you are pending for admin module is there, na?
Yes, yes.
And payment gateway also.
Payment gateway, once you give me, I will update it, no problem.
Yeah. See, suppose in
COD and
future, if I
PayPal
am
is
going to add
currently good.
some more payment gateway, that
Okay,
our people should have a demo. See, probably I will do
okay,
one thing. Monday, I will try to get the payment gateway. Still, I'm
okay,
working on that, but I did not complete it so far. Probably I will work from tomorrow onwards for the payment
okay,
gateway related. Once I received the URL and other kind of requirement kind of things, I will keep posted to you. Same thing when we are going to have a Monday go-to meeting. That time we will have a
okay,
discussion over screen itself. I will ask him to join for the team who are going to be take care for the payment gateway updation and other kind of things, so that the people should aware what are all the information we are cleaning up and what are all the informations are important for us, and how the people have to work for in future.
okay,
Okay, so
okay.
thanks for your time, valuable time. uh,
No, sir, thank you
Once
for
again,
your.
dear all, I think your guys are understand something. Now all the people, you can open your speaker and please confirm your understanding. Janaki?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm
Okay.
understand. I can understand.
Uh,
Yes.
okay. And there are a few more sessions. Maybe it will not take much time for Monday. Probably we will
Okay.
inform you in advance. Monday, what time Akbar, you could be convenient for?
Monday we will do it after 3, Umapati sir. I will make a Zoom call. We will not have
Uh,
a go-to meeting. Zoom is
uh,
easy, and we can have a
okay.
call on Zoom. And I will
Okay.
give you
So
the
your
Zoom link on
entire
Monday.
team members, please plan on Monday after 3 o'clock. You can plan for around 3 p.m. so that we can connect before in advance, so that all team members can monitor this one. And okay, what is your understanding, Janaki? Do you have any doubts?
Um. No, when I'm working only I can have doubt,
Yes,
but
okay,
while
no problem.
seeing
Okay.
I don't have doubt.
Uh,
Yes.
okay, no problem. See, this will have one more session. We will have a complete session, and they are going to give for the user manual screenshot along with the screenshot. What is the step
Yes,
1, step 2,
we will give
step
a
3, like
complete
that,
feed.
so that we will come
Yes.
to know very,
Oh,
very clearly how to proceed for
okay.
the order and payment related. This is a
Mm.
maybe coming Monday you will have a much clarity about that.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And தமிழ் நீங்க
Mm.
உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கா? ஹலோ, தமிழ் உங்க ஸ்பீக்கர் ஆன் பண்ணுங்க. ஸ்பீக்கர் ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு பேசுங்க. சரி, ஓகே. I think rest of the team members they could not able to connect it, maybe network issue or something. You can disconnect it, Abbas. Sorry,
Okay.
Akbar.
Okay, Umapati sir. Okay, Umapati sir.
Thanks for your
Thank,
video demo. And this
thank
video
you, sir.
shoot will be, you can send it through link or something.
Yeah, definitely we'll do that.
Yeah, you can send it to me, cwcentralbuyer@gmail.com email ID.
Okay, Umapati sir.
Okay, and one more thing, are you going to provide me any MD like clothswardrobe.com or something, or in my name, Umapati at
Yeah, we can create that.
clothswardrobe.com? One more email ID you can create and send it to provide me for the access, so that I can receive for
Yeah,
the company related all the communications, and I can put it confidentially so that I can keep in record.
Do one thing, Mohammed sir. Send an email to Jamal and Abbas for
Okay,
any
okay.
other
I will have
email
a word with
which
them.
you want.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Okay, I got
So
it. Thank you.
they
Thanks for
can
your
connect because
support.
I don't have
And
access to emails.
yeah,
Uh,
once again, you please convey my regards to everyone. Happy New Year.
yes, yeah. Same to you,
Okay,
sir.
on
Same
behalf
to
of
you and same to your team.
classwardrobe.com. Sorry, I could not able to connect and I could not able to make a wishes on the morning session. I was held up with
Okay.
some other meeting with my business partner, one of the business partners, so that I had some issues. So that is the reason I could not able to make wishes. So on behalf of classwardrobe.com, you please convey to all the team members, including Mr. Jamal and Abbas, everyone. Uh,
Okay.
uh, Happy New Year once again. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Yeah, same
Thank
to
you.
you.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.